before the break, Dr. Bresky, we were talking about premature mental decline. Can you tell me what causes that?
Research now suggests that for many, the mental decline may be caused by a handful of potentially addressable factors in the brain, and Procera AVH can help.
So are you telling me that Procera AVH can help make those senior moments a thing of the past, or at least a little less of a problem? Because I'll tell you, I have seen firsthand the confusion and the pain and the frustration of mental decline that many seniors, even baby boomers, are feeling.
For many, the answer may be yes, Patrice. Procera AVH accomplishes this in 3 ways. Directly addressing what's going on in the brain. First, brain cells can die when the circulation and oxygen to the brain declines, as it does with age. Procera helps increase blood flow to your brain, supplying it with more oxygen and more vital nutrients. It's like when you go outside and take a breath of fresh air on a cool day.
That is pretty amazing.
The next thing Procera AVH does is it helps improve neurotransmitter levels in the brain. These are chemical messengers in your brain responsible for memory, concentration, alertness, and even decision-making and mood. They get depleted with age and stress, and you simply can't be at your sharpest until you restore them to more youthful levels.
Boy, that's great. Now, does Procera AVH do anything else?
Well, over the course of a lifetime, environmental toxins and resulting free radicals accumulate and take toll on your brain's health. Once you take Procera AVH, it goes to work helping to reduce these mind-dulling free radicals.
Well, one thing I like about Procera that you mentioned is that it's a natural formula. There are no drugs in it, which I know seniors greatly appreciate, because I don't think really that anybody wants to take another medication, and many seniors take so much. Drugs, though, Dr. Bresky, are clinically tested. Supplements usually are not, right?
You're right. This is often the case. But in the case of Procera AVH, the formula was really put through the grinder. A double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical study, which is the gold standard. Then it was peer-reviewed and published in the Journal of American Nutraceutical Association. It worked so well that the study group that used Procera AVH saw an improvement in memory, focus, concentration, and even mood in just 30 days.
That's pretty amazing stuff, Dr. Bresky. Well, right now I'd like to take a few moments to share with our viewers some experiences from some other people who've taken Procera AVH. You know, I've seen many people go down mentally after retirement, and it's a very, very sad situation.
That's right, Patrice. People plan their whole life to retire and try new things. Then, when it finally arrives, many people don't have the mental horsepower to enjoy or even start them. It's tragic.
It really is. Well, here's a story from a retired college professor, Dr. Bresky, and this is a man who experienced just what you've described, but he was able to turn it around. His name is Richard, and he is from Seabrook, South Carolina, and just after he retired, we hear that Richard went into what he called a deep funk. He just couldn't get up any of the mental initiative to do any of the things that he had been waiting all these years to do at this stage of his life. Well, then, thanks to his son, he discovered Procera AVH, and soon he was taking it, and he felt like he said he awakened from a slumber. Richard writes that he started taking guitar lessons and that he took up painting, something that he never imagined he had the skills to do. And remarkably, he was even able to get one of his paintings into an art gallery. This all after retirement, a new career, and back to his old creative, energetic, and productive self again.
Nice story, Patrice. What seems to have happened here is that retirement may have caused his brain to go into a sort of sluggish inertia, sluggish motion. It needed some good brain nutrition to get it active and vibrant again. It was Procera that first got things going again. It's like a daily vitamin for your brain. It helps restore depleted nutrients, oxygen, and neurotransmitter levels, getting those neurons fired up again.
Now, if you would like more information on Dr. Bresky or Josh Reynolds in Brain Research Labs, and you're interested in how America's #1 brain health supplement, Procera AVH, can help improve your memory, your focus, your concentration, even your mood, then please pick up the phone and call the number on your screen.